Hello everyone and welcome to new video, and in this one I will show you how to add decals to your models. So this is bus. I have chosen this model because why not. And first what you want to do is add the second UV layer if the model doesn't already have it. If it does, it might be a problem, but maybe you can solve it by adding third one. So now go to edit mode, here the UV editor. You can select all, but yeah, the first layer we leave as it is, and the second layer you deselect all, and now select just the parts you want, which I would say might be these ones. Okay, maybe just these ones. Okay, and you select it and scale it so it is across the completely full area. Now you can scale it just by pressing S and Y, and it will scale only along that axis, and then you can move it right into the position you want it to have it in. I just have too sensitive mouse. Okay, now it should be plus minus okay. Now you go back, select, invert, select everything else on the model, and now select it here on the UV editor and scale it to the smallest possible point, and doesn't have to be really the smallest, but really small, and put it in the corner somewhere here. This is because if you imagine it, the decal is somewhere in here, and this will be at the end of the texture, so the rest of the model will be unaffected by the texture. Okay, now you go back here to the materials. You can see it doesn't have any decal layer, but you can add one pretty easily. You can rename it. Okay, it has pretty much the same settings as the original one. You should set it to RGB. Find some decal. It's really not important which one you put in there in the editor. It can be any single one. I will put the Terran logo. Put the image path here. I think all of these need to be inserted keyframe for it to work. So we will do that. Okay, I think those are all of them. Yep, it looks pretty much like that. So now we have a new layer, but what we need to do is set UV layer 2 here, which will use the second layer we have created, and now it should be okay, I think. I hope I haven't messed anything up. Here you can see the first time I've tried to make this video and I've messed it up actually, so well, I've successfully made it again. How the hell I did that? Okay, I'm sorry, I messed it up again, but I think I know why. I have changed this one to to the UV layer 2 and I have no idea why. Can I get back to default? Okay, here. I should have changed this one to UV layer 2. This one should have it. And also it should be ARGB, not just RGB. And now it should hopefully work. I apologize for not preparing this before, but I didn't actually ever need to do this. I just do it because of you, that some of you might want to add the decal. Okay. And you can see it works somehow. It's on both halves. Yeah, because because it's not one area, the model is actually split in two parts. So maybe I can actually do it differently. I can do it in this part, and I can have a look from the top. Like this. UV project from view, make it like that. I think this should now look much better. Let's have a try. Yes. And this is how you make it. How you make decal for your model. And actually it really doesn't matter which one you put here. This is only what is shown in cutscene editor or in previewer, but in game it will change to whatever you have selected for your player. So I think actually I might be able to show that if I save the map. So I can use the model. I don't know if there is a unit bus already in game. Unable to create this model. Okay, I will use something else. Let's use siege tank. Tank mode, I think. Siege tank and bus number 4. We have them here, and I think if I change the player decal to something else, yes, it changes as well. So this is how you do it. Just don't mess it up as I do. I should probably make one more just to show you how to do it properly this time. So what could we do? Maybe swarm host. Yeah, we can do swarm host. I just hope it doesn't already have the UV layer 3. but that should not be a problem anyway. So import StarCraft to desktop swarm host. Okay, let's have a look. It already has another UV map, so let's have a look if it already has some decals. I haven't noticed them, if they have. Oh, it doesn't seem to have. Yep. So let's add one. Okay, material layers. It should be somewhere here. ARGB. Let's make UV layer 3. I hope it works with this thing. Insert keyframe everywhere where you can. Not sure if it is necessary, but I will rather do it. I think I should have it still copied. Yeah. Okay. Terran decal on Zerk units, it will be quite weird, but that should not be a problem. Then make third UV layer. UV editor. Go to edit mode. Select the area when we want to have the decal. So select faces and circle select. You can just press C, and by mouse wheel you can make the area bigger or smaller, and then you can just drag it wherever you want. I think that's too much. I will do it differently. I will select this part and then Control plus. Okay. Once more, something more defined. I think this should be okay. And okay, I will select this. Also, this could be included. And this. It should be one big decal, I think. I want it from this side. UV project from view. Now make it like this. I think that should be hopefully okay, even if it is slightly there. I think it should be okay. It should be only because it will duplicate. You can imagine another texture here, and this part would use this side, but there should be nothing, so it should be okay, I think. And the same, select, invert, and just make everything really small and somewhere in the corner. Okay, I'm actually really curious if it is working the way it should with alpha layer number 3 or UV layer. Already too many layers today. Why do I always use some models that cannot be used? I don't know. Can I export it somehow? I don't think so. Well, but I've shown you how to do that again, and that should be enough. So I hope you can now add your own decals to the models, and without any messing up like I did. So thank you for watching and see you with some other video.